Well, hi everybody, this is the stay-at-home grandma, and I'm bringing you the homemade apple juice and the applesauce. I have this bowl here. Let me put this down just a little bit. How's everybody doing? I'm doing fine. I'm going to go over to the stove and get the pot. I let mine soak overnight, and then I do everything to it. Get the pot. Put it over here. How's everybody doing? I'm doing fine. It's a beautiful day today. Kind of cold still, but cool side. But hey, you do. I'm gonna pour this in. Get this up. Now, basically, people use the cheesecloth with this, but for some reason or other, your girl can't find her cheesecloth. But I have a sieve, so that's good. I think the chefs call it a genoise. So, now, here's the thing. Looks good. I'm going to put it in a jar. Wash this out. Get my little tasting spoon here. It's like apple juice. Tastes good too. Got a little kick to it because I put some cinnamon sticks in it. So I have just a little bit left, but that makes half gallon, so that is good. And there's some more in there, so but I'm gonna. So now that's my apple juice. Let's do my applesauce. This is going in the refrigerator. Pour this back in the pan. Now you know what? I'm gonna drink it. It'll be good. Okay. get my potato masher. I gotta taste this applesauce just a little bit. Mm. I'm gonna mash this up. And then I'm gonna put it back in the pot. Because I want it to cook a little more. And I'm gonna add a little bit more sugar to the applesauce. And I'm doing it the old-fashioned way. I'm mashing it. I'm not putting it in the blender. And I think you can see me mashing it, so. Okay, so that's that. That's my applesauce. The only thing I'm going to do different to it, but you don't have to watch this, is I'm going to put it back into the pot, let it warm up for a little while, then add some more sugar to it, and then I'm just going to put it in some jars. And that's it. That's how I make applesauce. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Be safe. I love you. Take care. God bless. What else do I want to say? Bye-bye. See you in the next video. Oh, and please be safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.